Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. Sports package, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Tires are in good condition. Sport suspension, sports exterior and interior. A black MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. Brand new set of floor mats, all season and regular. Comfort box for extra storage. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Black wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel. Jumping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This E-Class has 36,065 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.